I just got it yesterday, so I thought why not share it with you guys since it just came. If you're not familiar with Facetory, they are a sheet mask subscription service, and it's amazing. I love them. They have great customer service. Shipping is excellent. Great deals as well if you're a new subscriber or not. If you don't want to subscribe, you can still shop on their site in their marketplace, and I have. And I just realized that you get perks for doing reviews, like if you try out one of the boxes and you just love it, or you try out one of the masks individually and you do a review, not only do you get perks towards future purchases or whatever, but you can use the rewards towards your next subscription price. So for this month of May, instead of me paying $5.95 plus shipping, which is usually comes out to $8.90 a month for 4 masks, which it would cost a lot more than that if I bought these masks on the retail price. So I did some reviews. So for May's box, instead of $8.90, I only had to pay $6.90, and for June's, I'm gonna get the same deal because I did some reviews on some masks that I bought off there. So great perks, great customer service, shipping is fast, and it's just amazing. I love using sheet masks. I love pampering myself and doing facials anyway. So if you've never used a sheet mask, you gotta join the bandwagon. It's amazing for your skin, and trust me, Korean Beauty will give you 10 times the results as just, regular masks, traditional masks. These are just, it's more concentrated version, better absorption of product, quicker, for faster results. So anyway, I subscribe to the Forever Fresh box. You get 4 masks in all, and they come packaged like this in an envelope. It says Happy Masking Facetory, and it has little logos, lipstick, and stuff all over it. Every month is a different theme, so that makes it a lot of fun too, because once you get it, it's kind of like Christmas. And they always put a little card inside to tell you what the theme is, what the retail prices of all the masks, and the names and the brand, and a little bit more about the masks and what they're for. So I'm just going to go through the card and show you what they sent me for May, or what everyone got for the month of May in the Forever Fresh subscription. So let's just get started. The theme of this month, I guess, looks kind of like, it just says May Forever Fresh. It kind of looks like it's floral, like, because April showers bring May flowers. That kind of looks like what the theme is for this month. But anyway, let's just go through. The first one is from Beauty Chuck. I'm Real Gira Mask Rose. And I'll just show you what it looks like. It has like a little rose capsule on the bottom. Super pretty. And it says, keep your skin beautiful and dewy just like a fresh bouquet of roses as we bring you another hydrating rose mask. This mask will make you want to go out and smell the fresh spring air. The key ingredients and benefits are rose centifolia flower water. This antioxidant locks in moisture and allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin. And it also has sodium hyaluronate, which is a great skin restoring moisturizing ingredient that helps reduce appearance of blemishes and provides additional benefits for aging skin. And this retails for $3. And you leave this on, see, about 15 minutes. Just amazing, gorgeous skin, anti-aging. The next one is from Dear Packer. It's a rice mask, sorry. A rice mask is just what you need for a quick pick-me-up after a long day out. Its long list of benefits will surely work to keep your skin in its best shape possible. Key ingredients and benefits are Oriza sativa, which is a rice extract. A rice mask is just what you need to keep your skin in its best shape possible, like I said. And it also has niacinamide, which is great for enlarged pores, improving the appearance of large pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. Anything with a niacinamide in it, or sodium hyaluronate, or hyaluronic acid in it, as far as skincare or makeup, you definitely want to put it into use and put it in your collection. So this is basically for a moisturizing, hydrating, soothing skin, when it's just fatigued and worn out and tired. I would use this best, if anything, at night, or if you wake up maybe and you look tired, either or. Okay, the third mask, oh yeah, and this mask retails for $2. Okay, the next one is from Skin Planet, the Daily Fresh Garden Mask Sheet in Pomegranate. I love eating pomegranates, and they are great for your skin. And it says, pomegranate is known to be a popular and effective ingredient to promote the overall health of your skin and body. Who doesn't love a multifunctional ingredient like this? Multifunctional ingredient like this. Punica granatum fruit, which is pomegranate, has vitamin C, antioxidants, helps prevent cell damage, heals your skin from sun damage. So if you're out swimming or out in the sun all day, which we're all about to be, this is good to heal your skin. Has tomato fruit, which has lycopene, which helps protect the skin from harsh UV rays. So like I said, if you've had a long day out in the sun, you should use this. A lime peel contains citric and plant acids that work to cleanse, smooth, and brighten the skin. So it also peels your skin after a long day, which is excellent. And this retails for $3. I'm really excited to use this as soon as I get out in the sun. The last one is from Epona Jeju Green Tea Intensive Whitening Face Mask. This is so beautiful. And don't be afraid, my melanin queens. They don't mean brightening as in lightening your skin. It's more like to, add radiance and dewiness to your skin. So it says, have a relaxing, healthy tea party with the girls as you chat it up, drink green tea, and sheet mask. This mask uses natural ingredients from the island of Jeju to make sure your skin is brighter and well nourished. Key ingredients are green tea, antioxidant, provides anti-aging properties while helping to maintain firm and elastic skin, and chamomile flower, which is an ingredient that will help reduce inflammation while also healing and restoring your skin's natural moisture content. And this retails for $3. If you guys are interested in Facetory or subscribing, I'll leave all the information down below, and I'll see you guys next time.